good there?
Yep.
All right, let's go down.
It's close.
Huh?
It's close. It might need to go down a little bit.
All right, so we are beginning the plumbing. So we're down here below, going up. We're down here below the spare bathroom, and we got, let me just get up. Old man noises. Get you out of the light also. Okay. So that's the shower drain. It'll come down and actually have a trap. Then we're running it this way, shoot you right into the light, and then we're gonna come over this way and catch the lav sink right there, and that one will actually have a vent going up. And so it will wet vent the shower that we just came from, and then that'll come over and go into our Y for our 4-inch. And again, that will wet vent the remainder of the 4-inch. And then we'll go down, turn to 90, go and box out, not box, but just jog around the I-beam and go into that 4-inch right there. And then this guy does a straight line over to that 4-inch, so that'll pick up the other half of the house. And then it goes on out through the wall, out to our septic tank, all gravity fed, so we don't have a lift pump. So that's what we're trying to get installed now. So this whole thing right here is what I just showed you. So that's the shower trap, comes over. That is the lav sink, that'll go up into the wall. And then this will come over with that little piece right there and tie into that reducer that goes into our 4-inch Y. Here we go. Let's mark that real fast. We put the marks going inline, going this way on the pipes so that we get it lined up correctly, so that our elbows that are pointing up will be pointing up after we get it all glued up on the floor. All right, so this mark is when we glue it to make sure that this all stays in line. And then we do the same up here, and that way our line is the same. And then the mark for the depth is to make sure that we were deep enough when we dry fit it, so that we were all the way back into our flange. So, away we go. Only an 1.5 inches. We need what, 1 3/4, right?
Yeah.
Over Niagara. Oops, I bent the brush. Okay, where's my line? Oh, crap. Well, it's right on the mark, so it would have been this way, so now it needs to be that way. Oh, come on, go on there.
You notice I didn't mess with that. I just held the pipe. Yeah, he needs some love.
Whose idea was it to push that one off the right?
Probably first.
It was.
Does that feel good?
As I was doing it, I said, oh, we won't be able to get that one off.
Does that feel good? Oh, yeah.
Never rolled it up.
Yeah, it's called a hammer. I don't know where it is. I need a rubber mallet.
Hey, whiskey.
Huh?
Good idea. Oh.
What?
Whit. Whisk. Come. No.
I got my son.
No.
I hear it. Creak. Creak.
Thanks, Dan.
Thanks, Dan.
Jeez Louise. Down. Whiskey.
Did we get that? We must have got this in backwards. Did we rotate that? No, we didn't because it was still connected. So why is this? There's no way it's
We
doing
did
that.
this backwards.
Apparently we did that 180 degrees backwards.
We went to the total opposite side. Here's our mark. And there's our mark.
I thought. Yep, that's 180 degrees. All right, so we'll just have to keen eyeball it. What?
So great.
Mm-hmm.
Dang,
We
whiskey.
have half a whiskey on our pipe. You're shedding, dude.
Whiskey. Come.
Really, really bad. All right, so after I told you about all those marks, then we screwed up and now we can't use them. I screwed up. Are you happy?
It's true. That's why it takes
We're not blamestorming here.
7 years to build a house.
Yeah, because Dan keeps blaming me.
No. I don't think so.
He's picking on me.
Well, what's new? He did that before we started.
You want to put some on that side?
No wonder. Because I can see how high
I
it
can
was.
hear the thing. Every
Whiskey.
time I went around.
Whiskey, we don't need you in the.
No huffing.
Yeah.
Push.
Come straight up.
Light.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, hey, Dan. I'm here.
Hi, whiskey.
Whisk. I'm here to help. I'm here to help.
You're a mess. Get out of here.
Exactly.
Okay, there it is.
Push it down on there and just hold it down. I'm pretty sure this one's not gonna move now.
You think it's good?
Want that over here so when it
Quit.
drips through, it
Whiskey.
Yes,
lands on cardboard.
Leave it.
yes, please.
Maybe get the rust washed out of the cabinets.
Oh no, where's my line?
Where's my line? Like ants. We lost the line.
Thing's blind.
It wasn't ants, that was bug life. Picked the wrong week to stop sniffing glue. Okay,
Do we want to put this piece back
I
up?
want to clean that one down here, and then I'll go up and say what else? I'm sorry.
Put back this.
You, okay, I mean,
You have contributed to this.
yes, you're in the.
You're now in the house.
You are part of the
You're part of the house.
yes. Oh, yay! Good job, Whiskers!
All right,
Good job!
so let me go get
Good
this
job.
one. Ooh,
You're gonna need a bath. And then we've got to get you back into Daisy.
Because not only do you have to get them over there, get them clean, then you gotta bring them back.
Yep, gotta get them home.
yeah, but they'll always be clean to get them home.
Then we have to get them into Daisy.
But if you do it late enough, it'll be frozen outside.
That's true. That's true.
All right. Do I have my screw? Yep.
Whew.
Get a whip.
You know, just, you
How
know,
many?
in waves.
Thought we had enough air moving, but we sure don't.
Apparently not.
Amy's knee won't hurt anymore.
That's true. She'll be feeling good. She won't even know it.
Barry, I'm gonna hand you this here in just a second.
I'm very excited about that.
All right.
So excited.
I'm so excited. I got this. Got that.
Carrie's all blue.
And now I'm blue.
Don't be blue.
Oh, I have my.
Stay.
Yep.
Woo!
We are a tiny bit uphill. I think it'll be fine.
Where at?
And it's not moving. Like this guy's aiming uphill. I guess that's all right, because that's what we want it to do, right?
Yeah, that's how it is, actually.
All right, cuffed up there.
Yep. We get some more in that room there.
Yeah. All right. Hope we need to come my way. Push.
Push it.
Okay.
We good?
Yep. Are we good there?
Yep.
Everything's stuck?
Yep.
We'll figure that one out in a second. We'll need to bring this off the wall just a hair. We are not enough there. I think this is keeping us.
Yeah, it's good.
It is. Perfect. Like it.